Hello my friends, my kings, how are you guys? One thing guys, today new one official lucky get website, and let's see guys ground predictor guys. No, and then guys I have logged in the ground predictor guys. Let's see my friends, beautiful intro. And then guys, I will be connected with the aviator mode. Let's connect with the aviator mode. Then guys, I select the boot GPT guys, and then I connected with the AI servers guys. And let's see guys how this hack work. Oh my friend, it's a very big number, 24 by 91x guys. This is a big number. Let's see guys. Boom guys. Amazing my friends. For more bang guys, let's see. 1.68x guys, sorry. Let's see, amazing guys, amazing. One more last time guys, I will show you how this hack works, and you will see amazing predictor guys. Just write me on my official Telegram and buy this hack tip from me guys. Okay my friends, one more last time I'll show you 2.93x and you can download hack file from this channel. You can see our official Telegram channel. See my friends. Okay my friend, prediction is the same and you can write me here guys, ground_predictor my friend. Okay my friend, just see official